Hello and welcome. I'm really excited today. I get to try something new. Um, I found this 3D printed split pour cup. It has 5 chambers in it on an Etsy shop called the SnickeringShop. I just want to thank her for making it. I don't know anyone that has a 3D printer, so when I came across it, I was very excited. I haven't messed with it yet, so this will be my first time. I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas. I am using Brilliant Yellow, Light Blue Permanent, Dioxazine Purple, Quinacridone Magenta, and the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. So, let's get started. I'm going to put the white in the middle chamber. Not quite sure how much paint I'm going to need. And then I said I was going to put the Dioxazine Purple in this chamber. Then I'm going to put the light blue next to the dark purple. And then the magenta on the outside on this one. And then the yellow. Now, I don't have even amounts of paint, but it should work just fine either way. Move my cups out of the way. Make sure you're still recording. Yes, you are. Alright, I'm nervous and excited, but alright. I'm just going to try to do a little ring pour right here. Of course, since I don't have even amounts, the color is going to come out probably a little different. What's really nice about the chamber cup is, of course, it's not going to get as muddy because they're all separated. Loving the cleanness of the colors, no muddying. Well, of course, until maybe you go and tilt it, then it might get a little muddy, but as it's coming out, they're nice, clean, crisp colors. cut that off right there. Alright. I'm going to give it a quick torch, get some air bubbles out. Now we'll go ahead and tilt. I've been kind of lazy with my ring pours lately. I've been spinning them so then I don't have to worry about tilting, but we're going to tilt. Kind of out of practice since I've been spinning them. Don't know if I want a corner. No, there's enough paint on here. I shouldn't use a corner catcher. Just going to go ahead and go off here. Bring the weight of the paint back to the middle. And then we'll go off here. Once again, bring the weight of the paint back to the middle. More than plenty of paint. Could have used a bigger canvas, I guess. Go off this corner. Try to bring the paint back. And down to that corner. Sorry, I know you can't see. I'm just trying to recenter it a little bit. Make sure my corners are covered. Alright. Make sure you're in frame. No, you're not. There we go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give it another torch. Now I'm just gonna look at it. I kind of really don't like this purple down here. It's just too much. There's not really, oh, let's see. Get some of that purple off without ruining the whole thing. Now I'm just going to bring it back. Okay. I like that a little bit better now. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys and take you in for a close-up. Alright, so here we are for the close-up. There's the middle. There was a lot of air bubbles in it, but I got so excited I just mixed up the paint and poured right away, so there was a lot of bubbles in it. But I am loving the cup, loving the lines. Like I said, it's very clean and doesn't get muddy. Okay, so once again, this is the shop where I found the 5-chamber cup at. If I remember when I go to upload when I go to upload this video, I will try to remember to put a link to her shop down below. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks to you for watching. Beautiful colors. Bye.